get it?
Yeah.
Good.
And the burnout.
Sweet.
Well, here it is, the replacement saw. It's a skill saw, bench, contractors, table saw. It's got a lot of cool features that I didn't pay as, actually I paid about the same as I paid 10, 20 years ago for that other one, the Delta. And this one is actually pretty cool. It's a little taller. I tried to recycle the stand, but this stand is a little taller and it's a little wider, and the base is a little wider. It's got a lot of the same features as far as angles and stuff, and the miter gate is a little sloppier though. It's cast aluminum, but the miter fence, and it doesn't have a convenient little stop at 90, but it's pretty cool. I guess you could put a little peg in there, help you guide it, and you can actually screw on a board here for bigger pieces. And the other things I like about it, it has a little rack here for your rip fence. There, you can store your rip fence there. Hold on. It also comes with a little pusher stick, which I don't use, but it's also got a storage spot for the pusher stick there. It keeps falling off, so I just leave it off. Of course, the standard safety, little safety button there, so you can't turn it on while you're handling it. Kind of like a lockout tagout deal. There's a guard that actually goes here that I've left off. I also left it off on the other one too, but your miter fence fits right there, and your wrenches. It's got a little cool storage spot for your wrenches here, which I like. I had to build a little shelf for my wrenches. It is kind of cheesy in that these screws are a little smaller. These carriage bolts are a little smaller, but you know, it's not trying to hold up a ton. So far so good. You see, I've done some work on using it, so it's perfectly fine for what I use. So hopefully I have it for another 20 years. Later.